All right, so worksheet 59, we're not going to spend a whole lot of time on this because based on the amount of worksheets that I got turned in by the end of the period yesterday, especially with the fact that we only had like 10 minutes to work on it, it leads me to believe that this is pretty straightforward and we've got a grasp on what's going on here. But we'll go ahead and review our answers just to check. We got 4, 5, and 6. That'll be 4 squared plus 5 squared equals 6 squared. I almost did plus 6 squared. 16 plus 25 equals 36. That's definitely not going to be true, but 16 plus 25, just to be sure, gives us 41. Those are not equal, so our answer is no. Down to number 3. 5 squared plus 7 squared equals 8 squared. We get 25 plus 49 equals 64. 25 and 49 together make, as we saw, 74, which does not equal 64. Our answer is going to be no again. Do you have this? You need it.
No, worksheet
59. Now, our numbers are a little bit out of order in number 4, but that's okay because our largest number is still on the far right. So we can just plug these in exactly how we see them. 12 squared plus 5 squared equals 13 squared. 12 squared gives us 144, 5 squared gives us 25, and we get 169 on the right. Now, what is 144 plus 25, everybody? 169. Is 169 equal to 169? Yes, it sure is. There's our first yes. Well, aside from number 1. So that's what we're looking for. Remember, a true statement. Number equals itself. Yes, it is a right triangle. Okay. Here you go. Sure. Yep. Down to 5. 1 squared plus 2 squared equals 3 squared. 1 plus 4 equals 9. 5 equals 9. That's false. So our answer is no. Number 6, we got 8 squared plus 6 squared equals 11 squared. 64 plus 36 equals 121. What's 64 plus 36? 100. Does that equal 121? No, definitely not. Should have gotten 5 no's and 5 yeses on this worksheet. We got through 4 of the no's already. So let's take a look down at number 7. We got 144 plus 81 equals 225. 225 equals 225. Boom. Our answer is yes for that one. Skip the part where I'm squaring the number, or at least writing the number with the 2 on top. 10 squared is 100, plus 15 squared, which is 225, equals 20 squared, which is 400. 325 does not equal 400, so our answer here is going to be no. Down to number 9. 6 squared gives us 36, plus 8 squared, which is 64, equals 10 squared, which is 100. As we said, 36 plus 64 is 100, so our answer is yes, this does form a right triangle. And finally, number 10, 144 plus 256 equals 400. And that turns out to be true. 144 plus 256 does give us 100, so our answer is yes. Now, just because only half of these questions resulted in right triangles doesn't mean that we don't have 10 triangles here. All of these questions still form a triangle, but only the ones that result in a true statement after using the Pythagorean theorem, those are our right triangles, right? A triangle with a 90-degree angle pointing right up towards the hypotenuse, which we call C. What questions can I answer about this before we jump on in to what we're talking about today? Perfect. Show of thumbs real quick. How are we feeling about verifying whether something's a right triangle or not? Thumbs up, we're feeling good. Oh, good, good, good. I see that's a lot of thumbs up. Perfect.